Okay, so recently my mother was complaining that her this Canon WordTank Super electronic dictionary, whose batteries were dead. And it turns out that they are AAAs. So I just thought, couldn't we replace them with something else, like rechargeable AAAs, and have the whole thing solar powered? Now, I've done this before. I took a old busted up Braun electric razor and gutted it completely. I just put in 2 rechargeable AAA batteries in series, a diode, and a plug, and a switch to the motor. Anyway, so it charges up and works. Plugs in with this plug, which is a standard headphone jack in this case, doesn't really matter what you use, and a solar panel. And because the batteries, the amp hours of the batteries and the amperage, the amp output, the current of the solar panel is balanced, so it doesn't need a charge controller. As long as the batteries are 10 times the amperage of the solar panel, or conversely, as long as the solar panel is 1/10 the amperage of the amp hours of the batteries, then it'll work. And you don't need a charge controller, and you just stick it all together with a diode to keep the electricity from leaking out. So that's what I plan to do with this thing. I'm just going to take out these regular alkaline batteries. There's a little hole here, so I might hide the diode in there, and I'll get the rechargeable nickel metal hydride batteries from a Solar Garden light. See, Solar Garden light. I picked up a pile of them for really cheap when they were on sale. So I'm going to take that solar panel, which is this size, and is perfectly suited for charging some nickel metal hydride AAA batteries without a charge controller. And those batteries happen to live inside of here. Anyway, under here there are 2 nickel metal hydride batteries. And I'll have a white LED left over for something else. So when it's all done, I'll just be able to, I'll have the solar panel on here or something, and so we'll just leave this on the windowsill and it will charge magically, and it will never run out of batteries ever again for a while. This thing I've been using for, I don't know, maybe 3 years. It's fine. Works. You just leave it out and it charges. So, that's all. Stay tuned. I'll make it.